Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have Telegram and a channel or group. Now start. Open the channel, tap the name, choose Edit, then Link or Username. This is where you set public access. Pick a short, memorable username. Make sure it follows Telegram rules and isn't taken. Once chosen, Telegram will show the public link format T, me/your username. Save the change and confirm visibility. Members can now join via the link. If you're creating a new channel, set its type to public during creation, and then assign the username. Once you're in the username field, type your preferred handle and Telegram will validate it immediately. If it's unavailable, tweak it by adding numbers or underscores. Make sure to use only allowed characters, letters, numbers, underscores, because symbols will be rejected. Also, consider branding and privacy. A public username makes the me link discoverable. If you want restricted access, you'll need an invite-only private group instead. When the username is accepted, tap Save. Telegram generates the live public link you can copy and share instantly. After saving, copy the me/username link and place it where you want users to join: social profiles, websites, newsletters. It opens directly in Telegram. If someone reports the link doesn't work, first confirm the exact spelling and that the username wasn't changed or removed. If you encounter a conflict error when assigning a username, choose a different version. Add a short suffix, number, or abbreviation. Finally, if privacy issues arise, switch the channel back to private and distribute invite links instead. That restores controlled access quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.